stacking and stuff up on there?
Oh, doesn't matter.
Where did you join?
Huh?
How'd you join?
Oh, look at those little birdies over here. Here they are, little birds. I can't, I'm filming right here. That's the reason I'm filming over here.
Oh, wow.
So, because I've never seen this in person before, 3 years of life.
You never see them then?
I'm recording it. When I finish recording, you can see it.
How long are you going to record?
It's not long. It is a short video, centimeter. So you can check it out. See? There they are. The mother blue bird just flew up a couple seconds ago. Mother kind of nice. No, she flew up. She's scared.
She what?
She's scared.
Who's scared?
The mother bird.